Omwaka gw'2015 President Museveni akarangira ekiragiro cyo kwemereza hakushohoza eby'obugiga by'omwitaka ebirikuba bitongirweho omutindo obutashohora kuza aheeru y'ihanga n'ekigendererwa cyo kwenda kutungura amakorero g'ahansi konka ahabwa ekiragiro eki ebirombe bingi bikakinga ekintu ekyasigira abanya-Uganda bingi batiine emirimo omu kicweka kya Katanga omu ngomborera ya Kikagati omu district y'Isingiro aha omurimo gw'amaani gukaba guri ogw'okutimba eky'obugiga ky'omwitaka ningashi tin konka kwiha ekiragiro eki kiija abantu barikurenga omu 50 ababaire nibakorera omu mwanya ogu bakafeerwa emirimo yaabo eyabaire nebabiisaho.
Socio-economic impact resulting from the ban is a grave issue, I must say, because people have lost jobs, families have gone back, and hunger is too much everywhere.
Because now we shall be having where our product is going. Previously, we had nowhere we were going to put this product. But now that the smelting plant is in Ibarara, that means people have to come back so that we can also empower them, do health and safety campaigns, encourage them, and empower them in terms of equipment and skills so that we can get our end products in good shape.
The surrounding, you can see around, you're not seeing anything like a banana plantation or any other economic activity. This is the biggest economic activity here in Katanga.
Oguhona nagira ngo ebyoma habwo butakora habireho no kuferwa sente z'okubarwa miliyoni 2 mu sente za dola bwanyuma ya byinji kucerenya bikamera mu nebinyatsi.
This shows you that there is a great wear and tear, depreciation actually, because ever since that time they were switched off. And look at the conveyor belts are rubbers, which need to be running all the time, watering. You know, this plant works on water. When it is operating, the conveyor belts are all watered.
Komuringo gumwe gwo kwenda kutandika ihuro yo konjera omutinda hacho bugiga eki company ya Wood Cross Melting Company Limited bajiro mu nkoragana na company ya African Panther Resources okubasa kugarraho omwanya ogu barikwejo nesikoro eribatira omuti omulimbara erikonjera omutinda hacho bugiga eki.
Because after putting on the ban, I think it has taken us 2 years of benchmarking and thinking soon on how to improve on this tin. It's as a result of that the smelting will be put in Ibarara, is already in Ibarara.
Because it essentially unlocks the current ban that is in place in relation to the export of tin, or currently cassiterite as it's mined by the miners. But what it essentially allows them to do is to return back to work, to be able to put food on the table for their families.
Gasha kwa Nagud Fatuma.